The tutorial from the previous unit configured the devices in the topology as you see here. Actually, we're using the same topology and the same configuration as we did in the tutorial for the basic routing unit. In this unit, we're dealing with access control list, and the access control list that I want to apply in this situation is I want to create and apply an ACL that will prevent the host from my warehouse LAN from accessing any of the hosts on my office LAN. In other words, as you look at this, PC2 and PC3 should not be able to communicate with PC0 and PC1. So we're going to create a standard ACL to do this. Now, standard ACLs go closest to the destination. Well, the destination is the office LAN. So we're going to configure this ACL on the office router. So we're going to access this router, press return to get started, and we're going to enter all of our passwords and enter to global configuration mode and so forth. Enable, config terminal. Now we're ready to create the access list. Okay, it's a standard list, so it's a low number. Access-list. I'm just going to call it access list 1. Deny anything from the .3.0 network. So deny 192.168.3.0. Give it a wildcard mask 0.0.0.255. And with access list, if you have a list of denies, then the last thing you have in this access list needs to be permit and any. So access list, permit, any. And the way this works is it goes down through the list line by line, and once it finds a match, then it stops going through the list. Well, if it has a packet that's coming from the 3.0 network, it will have a match there, so it will stop. But if it's coming from any other network, we want to allow it. So it will continue on, and then we'll permit any. And we see I left off the 1. Okay, next thing we want to do is we want to apply this access list to the Ethernet interface. So interface F0/0 and IP access group 1 out. What that means is for the access list 1, I want to apply it to an outbound interface on this office router so that any packet that is trying to go out that interface has to go through this access list. Okay, let's test it. The purpose of this access list was to prevent communication from PC2 and PC3 to anyone on the office network. So, for PC2, let's see if I can ping 192.168.2.2. And it says no. Let's see if I can ping 2.3. And again, it says no. So in this unit, you'll have 2 assignments, just like you did in the last unit. The first assignment is to actually do this tutorial on your installation of Packet Tracer on your computer. And then you will have another assignment as well.